Whiskey glass types, enhancing your taste journey, KD4U. Around the world, whiskey enthusiasts appreciate the nuanced flavors and complex aromas that this beloved spirit offers. Much of the enjoyment lies in selecting the right type of glassware, which can significantly enhance the tasting experience. The perfect whiskey glass not only elevates the drink's visual appeal, but also influences the way its aromas and flavors are perceived. In the realm of whiskey glassware, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. From classic tumblers to specialized nosing glasses, each type of glass serves a unique purpose. Connoisseurs often find that experimenting with different styles allows them to discover the nuances that each vessel can unveil in a particular whiskey, making the tasting journey more rewarding. The choice of glass can impact various elements of whiskey tasting. For instance, the shape of the glass can affect how the aromas are concentrated and delivered to the nose, which is crucial for fully appreciating the whiskey's bouquet. Additionally, the thickness and form of the glass might influence the perception of the liquid's texture and mouthfeel, the science behind whiskey glassware. At first glance, the shape of a whiskey glass might seem like a mere aesthetic choice, but there's a wealth of scientific reasoning behind these designs. The glassware you choose plays a crucial role in how you perceive the aroma and taste of your whiskey. Aroma concentration and glass shape. The shape of the glass plays a crucial role in concentrating and directing the volatile compounds responsible for a whiskey's aroma. Glasses with a narrower opening, such as the Glencairn or tulip-shaped glasses, are designed to enhance these scents, which allows you to more easily discern the subtle nuances in the whiskey's bouquet. Surface area and flavor release. The surface area of whiskey exposed to air influences the rate at which it oxidizes and releases flavors. Wider glasses, such as the traditional tumbler, allow for more oxidation, which can be beneficial for opening up certain whiskeys. However, this can also lead to the rapid dissipation of delicate aromas in more nuanced spirits. Temperature retention properties. The material and thickness of the glass affect how well it retains the whiskey's temperature. Glasses have thick bottoms to provide insulation, helping maintain the ideal serving temperature for longer. This is particularly important for whiskeys that are best enjoyed slightly chilled or at room temperature. Classic whiskey tumblers. When most people think of whiskey glasses, the classic tumbler often comes to mind. These versatile glasses have been a staple in bars and homes for generations. The old-fashioned glass. The old-fashioned glass, also known as a lowball glass, is a short tumbler with a wide brim and a heavy base. It's perfect for serving whiskey neat or with ice, and its wide opening allows the drinker to appreciate the full range of aromas. The substantial base makes it ideal for muddling ingredients for cocktails like its namesake, the old-fashioned rocks glass. Similar to the old-fashioned glass, the rocks glass is slightly smaller and often used interchangeably. Its name comes from its primary purpose, serving whiskey on the rocks or over ice. The sturdy construction can withstand the weight of ice cubes and the occasional enthusiastic toast. Neat whiskey tumbler. For those who prefer their whiskey without any additions, the neat glass is a refined choice. It's typically smaller than other tumblers, with a slightly narrowed rim to help concentrate aromas. This glass is designed to showcase the pure essence of the whiskey without the dilution of ice or mixers. Nosing glasses. For the true whiskey aficionado, nosing glasses are essential tools for fully appreciating the complexities of fine spirits. Glencairn glass. The Glencairn glass has become the industry standard for whiskey tasting. Its tulip shape concentrates aromas at the neck, while the wide bowl allows for proper appreciation of the whiskey's color and viscosity. The short, sturdy base makes it easy to swirl the whiskey without fear of spilling. Capita nosing glass. Originally used for a sherry tasting, the Capita has found a home in the world of whiskey. Its long stem keeps hand heat away from the spirit, while the tulip-shaped bowl concentrates aromas. This glass is particularly favored by master blenders and distillers for its precision in aroma delivery. Neat glass. The naturally engineered aroma technology, neat glass is a relatively new addition to the whiskey world. Its unique shape with a flared rim is designed to direct harsh ethanol vapors away from the nose, while concentrating the more pleasant aromas. This allows for a more comfortable and nuanced nosing experience. Sophisticated sippers. For those who want to combine the benefits of nosing glasses with the comfort of traditional tumblers, sophisticated sippers offer an elegant compromise. Snifter. The snifter, traditionally associated with brandy, has found favor among whiskey drinkers. Its wide bowl and narrowed mouth are excellent for capturing and concentrating aromas. The short stem allows for easy warming of the spirit with hand heat, which can help release more volatile compounds in some whiskeys. Tulip glass. Similar to the Glencairn but with a longer stem, the tulip glass offers the best of both worlds. It concentrates aromas like a nosing glass, but provides a more comfortable sipping experience. The long stem keeps hand heat at bay, making it ideal for longer tasting sessions. Riedel whiskey. Renowned glassware maker Riedel has created a whiskey-specific glass that combines elements of various styles. Its outward curved lip delivers the spirit to the tip of the tongue, where sweetness is perceived, potentially enhancing the tasting experience for some whiskeys. Modern innovations in whiskey glassware. As our understanding of sensory science evolves, so too does the design of whiskey glassware. Modern innovations seek to enhance the drinking experience through cutting-edge technology and design. Norland glass. The Norland glass is a marvel of modern design, created using digital fluid dynamics simulations. Its double-walled structure provides insulation, while the inner wall shape is optimized for aeration as you swirl the whiskey. The result is a glass that claims to enhance the aroma and flavor profile of the spirit. Aged and or duo glass. This innovative glass features a unique double-wall design with a wedge-shaped interior. This allows for both neat pours and, on the rocks, serves in the same glass, with the wedge creating a natural separation for the ice. It's a versatile option for those who enjoy their whiskey in various styles. Denver and Lyell whiskey glass. Combining the nosing properties of a Glencairn with the versatility of a tumbler, the Denver and Lyell glass features a wide base that tapers to a narrow aperture. This design allows for an intense nosing experience while providing a comfortable sipping vessel. Pairing glasses with whiskey styles. Different whiskey styles can benefit from specific glass types to showcase their unique characteristics. Light and delicate whiskeys. For lighter whiskeys, such as many Irish or some Canadian styles, a tulip-shaped glass or Glencairn can help concentrate the delicate aromas without overwhelming them. Rich and complex spirits. Full-bodied, complex whiskeys like Scotch from Islay or rich bourbons can stand up to wider-mouthed glasses that allow more oxidation, such as a snifter or wide tumbler. Cask strength and high-proof offerings. High-alcohol whiskeys benefit from glasses that help dissipate ethanol vapors, like the neat glass or a wide-bowled snifter, allowing you to appreciate the underlying flavors without the alcohol burn. Final thoughts. As we've explored the vast world of whiskey glassware, it's clear that the choice of glass can significantly impact your tasting experience. From the classic charm of the old-fashioned tumbler to the scientific precision of modern designs, each glass type offers a unique way to interact with your chosen spirit. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution in the world of whiskey appreciation. The best whiskey glass for you is the one that enhances your personal enjoyment of the drink. Ultimately, the most important factor in enjoying whiskey is the company you keep and the moments you create. So, whether you're sipping from a fine crystal snifter or a simple rocks glass, take the time to savor not just the whiskey, but the entire experience. Cheers to your continued exploration of the rich and rewarding world of whiskey. Meta description. Discover how different whiskey glass types enhance your tasting experience. From classic tumblers to modern designs, find the perfect glass for your dram.